Roy, in your leadership, how do you use responsibility?
And I think that whole idea is I don't want to let anybody down. I mean, I swear that's why the Ride at Dawn story. I never knew all of this. You know, you're born and you've got to never forget where you come from. I don't care if it was bad. There's some good stuff. But I never wanted to let my mom down, my dad down. I didn't want to let my team down. I didn't want to let my sister down. I didn't want to let my partners down. I didn't want to let my community or my country. That's why the whole idea of I'm an American and all the PSAs with all the presidents, they all trust me for whatever reason. And I just don't want to let people down. And I think that's my definition of responsibility. I don't want to let people down. And that's what drives me to do whatever I do. It really is. I don't want to let people down.